Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. TimeFarm listing date and TG, latest updates and market predictions. The anticipation surrounding TimeFarm's token generation event, TGE, and subsequent listing continues to grow, with the team making substantial progress to ensure fairness, sustainability, and value creation. The project has been taking decisive actions to reinforce its credibility and appeal to the broader crypto community. Here's an in-depth look at the latest updates, speculations, and market outlook for TimeFarm. Strategic initiatives before the TGE. The TimeFarm team recently announced two critical steps aimed at enhancing the overall ecosystem and ensuring fairness. 1. Banning 1.5 million cheating accounts. In a bold move, TimeFarm identified 1.5 million accounts that were exploiting the system, likely using bots or other unfair practices to manipulate rewards. By banning these accounts, the project is strengthening trust, demonstrating its commitment to transparency and fairness within the ecosystem. Improving ecosystem integrity, ensuring that legitimate players and investors reap the benefits of the platform, leading to higher community morale. This decision has been widely applauded by the community, as it highlights the team's focus on long-term sustainability rather than short-term gains. 2. Burning 10 trillion tokens. The token burn initiative is one of the most impactful measures announced by TimeFarm. By burning a staggering 10 trillion tokens, the project aims to reduce supply, lowering the circulating token supply to create scarcity, which typically supports price growth. Boost value, balancing tokenomics to align with market demand. Show commitment, demonstrating to investors that the team is serious about maintaining token value. Token burns are a common strategy among successful crypto projects, and this move signals that TimeFarm understands the importance of effective supply management. TimeFarm Airdrop and listing updates. Airdrop engagement. The TimeFarm Airdrop has been a standout event, keeping the community highly engaged. Players have been completing tasks like daily farming, participating in gameplay to earn rewards, inviting friends, encouraging community expansion through referrals, quizzes, testing knowledge and rewarding active engagement. This initiative has not only distributed $2 tokens to active participants, but has also helped solidify a loyal and interactive user base. Listing date speculations. The exact TimeFarm token listing date remains a mystery, but rumors and industry chatter suggest it may occur late October 2024. While this timeline seems tight given the lack of official announcements, it remains possible if preparations are expedited. November 2024, a strong contender as the team gears up for the TGE, making this the most realistic timeframe. December 2024, a fallback option, allowing for delays or extended preparations. The community remains eager yet slightly frustrated by the uncertainty. Clearer communication from the TimeFarm team about the roadmap could alleviate these concerns and further boost excitement. Frog Farm Partnership. Adding to the excitement, the partnership with Frog Farm has drawn significant attention. This collaboration is expected to expand market reach, tapping into Frog Farm's user base and resources. Enhance features, introducing cross-platform utilities and collaborations. Strengthen ecosystem, positioning TimeFarm as part of a larger, interconnected gaming and crypto environment. TimeFarm token market predictions and outlook. With the TGE on the horizon, industry analysts are bullish about TimeFarm's market prospects. Here's a closer look at what experts are predicting. 1. Price predictions. The TimeFarm token, bolstered by the recent token burn and growing community interest, is expected to experience steady growth. Current forecasts suggest short-term, Post-listing, the token could see initial price volatility due to speculative trading but stabilize around $0.005 to $0.01 within the first quarter after listing. Midterm, 2025. As the ecosystem matures, the token price is expected to rise, potentially reaching $0.015 to $0.02 by mid-2025, driven by growing adoption of staking features, increased demand for NFTs and platform rewards, continued token burn initiatives. 2. Factors driving growth. Innovative features, TimeFarm staking, farming rewards, and daily combos offer compelling incentives for participation. Community engagement. A highly interactive user base ensures sustained interest and activity. Tokenomics. Strategic burns and fair distribution mechanisms boost investor confidence. 3. Market challenges. While the outlook is positive, challenges remain. Execution risks. Mismanagement of the TGE, listing, or token burn could lead to skepticism among investors. Market competition. The crypto and blockchain gaming space is highly competitive, with established projects vying for market share. Regulatory concerns. Navigating global regulations will be crucial as TimeFarm scales its operations. Community sentiment and enthusiasm. Despite some frustration over the lack of a confirmed listing date, the community remains highly enthusiastic. Daily engagement through activities like farming, quizzes, and combos ensures an active user base. The airdrop, coupled with the potential for high returns on the $2 token, has kept spirits high. Social media channels and forums are abuzz with discussions about TimeFarm's potential, with many players viewing it as a unique blend of gaming and crypto innovation. Conclusion: a promising future for TimeFarm. TimeFarm is positioning itself as a standout project in the blockchain gaming and crypto space. With measures like banning cheating accounts, burning tokens, and fostering community engagement, the team is laying a strong foundation for success. As the TG approaches, all eyes are on the listing date, which could catalyze significant growth. With a vibrant community, innovative features, and a well-executed roadmap, TimeFarm has the potential to become a major player in the market. While challenges like competition and execution risks remain, the proactive measures taken by the team suggest a bright future for TimeFarm tokens and their ecosystem. If all goes according to plan, the project could see exponential growth in adoption, token value, and market presence in the months and years to come.